In a record 40 months, HAL and our own engineers produced this HTT-40, which is the state-of-the-art basic trainer jet that is produced completely in India. HTT-40 is a symbol of how India has travelled from scandal to self-reliance. Many countries in the global south and many Southeast Asian countries have shown great interest in buying these HAL-made low-cost fighter jets for their defense needs.
The first one is a Hawk which we've upgraded with our own avionics. So that is 701. 702 is PT1. 703 is PT2. This time.
I want you to meet two special people, three special people. Chief designer of Eureka and chief designer of Eureka.
Such an honor to meet you, sir. Ma'am, thank you very much.
And I wouldn't have been your class teacher had I continued in state food.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। हाँ सर, तेजस्वी सूर्या का रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना? ओके। ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್.
was your experience flying the HTT-40?
Today I had the opportunity of flying in HTT-40, an indigenously built trainer aircraft produced by our own HAL. HAL is the pride of India. It is the pride of Bengaluru. It is a symbol of India's aeronautical prowess. This particular aircraft, HTT-40, has a very interesting and a very important story, a legacy, a lesson for people of India, a lesson for all of us who are interested in the nation's progress and national security. In 2012, the UPA government placed an order to procure from a Swiss company trainer jets for India's security needs and purchased the Pilatus aircraft, which again was a trainer aircraft. This procurement was riddled with questions. In 2019, a CBI inquiry proved that there was involvement of middlemen. Indian companies like HAL were not given prominence. The transaction was opaque, and the investigation led to the blacklisting of this Swiss company. The entire process led to the indigenous trainer aircraft manufacturing program of HAL suffer tremendously. The project was almost shelved. And India's aspiration and ambition to manufacture and produce an indigenous trainer aircraft took a severe beating. In 2014, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi came to lead the country, and with the painstaking efforts of the then Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, HAL was given the necessary encouragement, financial support, and the administrative encouragement to restart the indigenous trainer jet manufacturing program. In a record 40 months, HAL and our own engineers produced this HTT-40, which is the state-of-the-art basic trainer jet that is produced completely in India. In that sense, HTT-40 is a symbol of how India has travelled from scandal to self-reliance, from foreign dependency to Atmanirbharta, from not trusting our own institutions and our own engineers to manufacturing the best, the state-of-the-art aircrafts that are second to none in the world. It was a matter of great honor and privilege to fly in this aircraft. It is a lesson for everybody, the people of India, the institutions involved, the scientists involved, policy makers, that our institutions, our engineers are capable of producing the best results when the necessary support, encouragement and leadership is provided. I congratulate HAL for this momentous achievement. The HJT aircraft, which is the intermediate jet trainer, which is also again produced by HAL, is again an aircraft with great potential to be made into a low-cost combat aircraft, especially to cater to the defense needs of the global south. And in the coming years, many countries in the global south and many Southeast Asian countries have shown great interest in buying these HAL made low cost fighter jets for their defense needs. This is a great example of how HAL and India is transforming.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. हाँ सर, तेजस्वी सूर्या का रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ना.